Okay. And he's a dancer, so he's parents.
Come here. Hiya. Coach also come here.
Is he here?
Yeah, he hasn't come.
Can you imagine? I scolded them for not bringing the child. I said, this is the time to bring them. We are trying to make people accept them.
I know some very good. I used to work with him.
That's right.
Sir, यहाँ पर भी
अब देखो आप लोग पूछ रहे हैं कि अक्षय कुमार साहब क्यों आए, यही इसीलिए आए.
Sir.
This is one of our coaches.
start. Ready? Start. Okay, let's start.
अच्छे जो भी सोचा है कि ये सरप्राइज है इसके अंदर मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि अपन जो स्पेशल ओलंपिक भारत में कर रहा है उस अपन को अगर
चीज कर सकते हैं जो नॉर्मल बच्चे कर सकते हैं.
थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट होता है ना सिखाना क्योंकि ग्रास्पिंग पावर थोड़ी कम होती है.
I hope that gives you an idea of one of the things that we've got a target to do this year is to reach that we currently have. We have to reach 200. We'll be receiving training and will be receiving opportunities to compete by the
Introduction, all known very well. And all of you have been asking me why he is here. I wanted to also thank the press for coming here and spend 1,000 children, which is less than 0.12%. In spite of taking on such a large, I also had mentioned to you all, which I'll repeat again, our 4 higher level objectives for these children. What do these children want? Number 1, they want to be accepted by society as they are and not to be called, used to call them mentally retarded. They are so sensitive, these children, so aware of the we have to get this also out of their mind and respect them. Number 3 is they have so much of music and rhythm in them, and I have requested my full of fun. And lastly, they for example, you have a directive that education for all is a man and regarding program forward. Thank you. I request now to speak.
The maximum I would say is just thank you and just walk off the stage. Sorry about my voice. Because I was shooting and I was shouting a lot there. So I just lost my voice. I was just amazed looking at those children, those athletes. And how they were. All the 7 guys, they stopped. They came back where the guy was there, picked him up. Started running again from that point, along with him. Now tell me, I'm sure you're a great judge. Aren't they special people? I think they're great people. These guys really rock. They're really good people. And we have to learn so much from them. He said it that about 30 million people in India, 30 million people in India are mentally disabled, mentally challenged, and out of that, 95% of in the mainstream of society, by their own people, by their own family, by their own relatives, they think it's something to be ashamed about. I'm requesting all the media friends of mine to write about this, to tell people that there's nothing to be ashamed about all these things. They are special people. They can do much better things than us. They're humble. That is why those 7 athletes stopped and they started the race again. They're more human than us. That's the tip. as I already said to you, that I'm asking for your help and your mobile off, please. Right? बंद नहीं हो रहा? Well, that's all I want to say. More things. I'll keep.
And in order.
अक्षय साहब सर यहाँ सर यहाँ हाँ कम क्लोज है ना हाँ जी हाँ जी ऑल ऑफ यू सर यहाँ सर
साहब बोला लिखना भी है तो फोटो से मैं in the Special Olympics, as I said earlier, we are very honored, sir.
Thank you very much. And you can tell them about we're going to try to get the 2011 Olympic Games.
Because now you become a global man, the message you must get them. Very important.
This is one of the most important things. We are trying to bid for 2011 Special Olympic to happen in India, and we would require your wishes. I hope we succeed in it. It will be a great thing for India to have. Thank you.
अभी जो आप प्रश्न पूछ रहे हैं साहब